Alright, so it's Saturday morning and I'm just about to jump in Max and we're going to head up to the British Motor Museum to go and take a look at some rusty old cars at Rustival. Woohoo!
Some random stuff with me because I don't know if I'm going to need to keep warm or not.
Yeah, I know, it might get a bit chilly. I have brought an extra jacket. This is my mate Logan.
Hello.
We've done many road trips together in the past.
It's been a while now.
It has been a while actually, yeah. So we're well overdue, yeah. Yeah, see, I was just thinking, like, put all the wiring on the side where all the moisture's going to get in there. And
Exactly.
It's funny how everybody's impression of the 80s is all like the neon colors and everything, but actually the 80s was just brown. Everything was brown.
Especially the cars.
Yeah, yeah.
Like your curtains and shit.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, wow. There's just something about the smell of old Japanese cars. It's like such a distinctive... And a penny.